In this video, I'm going to show you how to open files, basic file operations in image matrix. Here I'm using image processor as an example, and the same opening file procedures are the same in other image matrix modules such as particle analyzer and region inspector. So basically what you do is you click the open file button, and you can navigate through to the folder where you store your image files. And as you can see, the default option is to all files. So you can basically open any kind of file formats and select them all, and the image matrix will open them all for you. And you can also select specific file formats from the list box. But typically we just use all files option because the program will automatically recognize what file format you are picking, and it will recognize them fine. So here you can see I have several different file formats. You have TIFF file, just general image formats, right? PNG file or JPG file, anyway. And you also have the IBW file, which is raw image data file obtained from a Southern Research AFM. And then you also have the file extension with digits, usually with 3 digits. So this is obtained from Digital Instruments AFM, or later Brooker AFM. So you can also open files that are in text format, like in ASCII code. So they can be open fine, and also JPK files, which is another AFN manufacturer. So yeah, you can open all these files. For example, you can multiple choose the files. For example, let's do this. Yeah, so this is a text file, a JPK file, a BW file, and also some DI files, and some T file, PNG file. Just have fun. Okay. So click open. So once you open the files, you have just open multiple files. So they're listed in this image list there, and you can navigate to the file that you want to see. So right now I'm just showing the first file, which is a Southern Research file. So you can either navigate this way, or you can navigate using the left and right arrow. So this is the previous file, the next file. So apparently some of these files are not really FN image files, so they don't show correctly. You can use the auto scale, which basically scale them correctly, because some of the files are raw data, some of the files they are just normal image, so the scaling factors are different. So this is, yeah, I think I've done a good job here. Yeah, I have to check this auto scale, so they will automatically scale for you, otherwise you won't see anything. Alright, so if you have a file that you think it's not open correctly, you can reopen it using other formats. So what you do is you click open button here. So this basically tells the program like which format should the file opens in. So for example, you can rename this file extension to some other extensions. Then the program will be confused, like because the program only distinguish the files using the extension, and if you manually change the file extension, the program will be confused, and you have to tell the program which algorithm to open the file. So you can open it in a Southern Research format, right, nanoscale format, other image format. Actually, I add a JPK format here. Anyway, so you can close all these files. You can close single file by just that file. You can close all the files by just click close all. So, alright, that's a short introduction to file operations in image matrix. If you have more questions, you can refer to the instruction manuals online. Thank you.